Hi, this is Sheila with the California Welcome Center in Alpine, and I'm down here at Pacific Beach, and I'm taking a quick video. We had rain yesterday. It was a miserable day, and today it's just absolutely gorgeous down here. And this is where most visitors want to come when they come to San Diego, is to see our beautiful beaches. If you look straight ahead down that walkway, that's a boardwalk. You can walk a couple miles, and at the end of that boardwalk, there's a little amusement park. There's restaurants all along the boardwalk, as you can see here. This is a hotel called the Surfer. And if you look down this way, you'll see the rest of the boardwalk heading to the pier down there at the end. So I'm stopping now, and we'll go see some other sights. If you're in Pacific Beach, this is one of the popular restaurants because it's right on the water, and you can see everybody out on the balcony watching the ocean and having a few cool off their thirst. And according to my son, who's in his early 30s, this is the happening spot. So if you're in PB, look for this spot along the beach. Like I mentioned, we're on the boardwalk here in Pacific Beach. You can see all the people on the boardwalk. And as I pan over, you'll see there's some cottages that you can rent and stay overnight on the pier. And just pan out there a little bit. People out there today just enjoying this beautiful day. So you can see what our San Diego beaches look like. I'm going to come back around because I want to show you who gets to do all this.
Get in there one time.
Okay, all along the boardwalk here you'll see shops where you get all your beach gear. This is what we're talking about when you live in San Diego. We love it here. This is just another thing you can do at the beach. There we go. Having really high tide today. It looks like we got a group going out for surfing lessons.